bit. It's just creepy. What's up, you guys? I'm really excited about today's video. Listen, we have a margarita. We are gonna unbox some stuff. Recently in a video, I saw quite a few comments of you guys saying, wow, it is not only therapeutic, but very entertaining when you open boxes and parcels that you received. So I figured I would unbox and review one of the most talked about, viral, crazy, coveted pieces of decorations this Halloween. So this is the Disney Halloween set. There's 12 pieces in it. I paid $150 Canadian. It is from Costco. I'm pretty sure that it would be cheaper in the States. But here's the thing, it is sold out everywhere. From what I gather, if you can find one, amazing. If you buy it resale, you do you. But let's open this together and discuss it while having a margarita. And I have a couple other things that I think would go perfectly with it. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. First things first, I actually need the margarita nearby because it's not just there for decoration, so we're gonna actually drink it. I just need somewhere to put it. Hocus pocus tray, that'll work perfectly. Just don't spill. Okay, let's see how long it takes for Carl to show up. If you know who Carl is, comment down below. My very first part of this review is this thing is taped up to go to the moon, but we got it open. Instructions, don't eat that. All right, so in here there is, you hear that? Someone's coming down the stairs. In here, there is 2 trees. There's the main house. There's like it almost looks like a church or like a tower. Oh my gosh, it's very cute. There's a tree that has a face on it. There is Mickey and Minnie. There's a gate. There's a tombstone. There's Pluto. There's Goofy. There's like little Mickey and Mickey. And there's a Mickey lamppost. Did I say everything? There's a lot in here. So where can I leave this so that you can, nope. I want you to still be a part of it. Hi, Carl. Do you want to say hello to everybody before I continue? All right, here you are. Here you are. In your whole little self. My name is Carl. You can follow me on Instagram. I am named after Carl Fredrickson from Up. And I am a piece of work. He loves whenever the camera's rolling. He only shows up whenever the camera's on. I don't really understand. I think that he believes that he's a star, even though he is. All right, so this is how it's packaged. I don't know what to think of this so far. So there's the 2 trees and then the characters on one side, and then I'm guessing the bigger pieces will be protected. Oh gosh, okay, don't pull on this from the top because you're gonna break it. Everything feels very delicate. This reminds me of so much, which is also why I got it. It reminds me of my Christmas tree. It's not really a tree, it's like ceramic. And it like rotates on different tiers. If you've ever seen it, if you know, you know. It's by Bradford Exchange. My mom got it for me years ago. And there may or may not be a Costco viral Christmas piece sitting in my basement because I know how this game goes. It's gonna sell out. It's probably already sold out. So I got that one also. Okay, so this is the tree and I'm here for the vibe. It's pretty cute with the glitter on it. And it's like a dead, yeah. There's a lot of detail. There's glitter on the bottom, little stones, little grass, like, okay, for it to just be like a regular dead tree, I mean, there's some love put into this. So if you paid about $100 for this thing, it's worth it. So this one is the exact same thing. Heavy enough base, tree, dead glitter branches. I like it. Again, for it being just a random tree, I like it. All right, these are the little character pieces. And they come in like this little purple cardboard box. I'm not gonna keep any of this. I mean, I know it protects it. How are you with this? Like, do you prefer to keep the stuff that you purchase, like fragile stuff, in its box? Or do you try to save on storage space and you wrap it up yourself? First of all, again, packaged to go to the moon. Okay, here's what I like about these right away. And listen, none of this is sponsored, so if there's something I don't like, I'm gonna tell you. Some of the Bradford Exchange trees that you guys have been sending me that you guys have purchased, the characters don't even look like the characters. They almost look like a little kid tried to paint it. And you know when a Disney character is like an impersonated Disney character, doesn't really look like it? These look like the characters. So here's Goofy as like a mummy, and he's got his foot on a stone. I mean, it's pretty good. And I'm gonna share some things that I think you could, if you want this thing and you could expand, and you wanna expand on it and like make it a full thing, kind of like how you would at Christmas, like create a Christmas village. Oh, Minnie has got a booty on her. Get it, girl. Look at that. She squats for sure. I like the Mickey bat in the middle of the tombstone. It's very cute. I'm all about the booty gains on Minnie on there. That's awesome. We're a fitness channel also, so that makes sense if you're new here. Or it doesn't have to make sense, I'm cool with it. So this is the little kid Mickeys that are carrying the chest. Very cute. And then this tombstone, it has like a spider on it. I mean, the detail on this is insane. Okay, look at that Mickey pumpkin. And it's not just the front, like I just wanna show you the back of these because the back is just as good as the front. And the little spider on top, I mean, listen, kind of ridiculously amazing. Yeah, I mean, whew. And if you're sitting there being like, why is she nerding out over it? Like, why is she going into so much detail? Because we love it on this channel. And I'm very sorry, not sorry. We nerd out together over the simple joys of things that produce serotonin. Okay, now let's cut open this big. So on the question of like, how do you store stuff? The only thing that I've ever kept in like a styrofoam like this is that Disney Christmas tree. I shouldn't even call it, it's not a tree, it's like it's made of ceramic or fragile things. Oh gosh, I can see a Mickey sticking out. Not gonna lie, that was stressful. Okay, this is overwhelming, but very excited. Okay, my gut on this, after, like I've just seen these little pieces. There's 12 pieces total, right? That's what it said. 12 pieces total. This thing was 150 bucks. I feel like a lot of companies, I get that it's Costco, so that's why it's less expensive, but I feel like a lot of companies, including Disney, would have charged double for this. Like you would pay 300 Canadian. Like that Bradford Exchange thing, which is the only, this lights up. I didn't know that, yes, I did. I've seen the pictures, that's true. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Okay, I mean, stop it. And then the like, look. The base has like a little glow through it. It's very fairy-esque. I don't know if that was on purpose, but I'm here for it. There's a little pumpkin. There's a crow at the top. Oh, he has a fluff stuck to him. It looks like a little bird poop. It's not, in fact, it's not. Okay, I knew that the village lit up, but it didn't register. I feel like this could become a thing. Review Disney products while drinking. Cheers. Dang, that's good. Yeah, so my only thing that I can go based off is that Bradford Exchange really nice piece that's like very special and fragile, and it was expensive. Like I wanna say it's like 250, 300. I know it's a lot. So, I mean, that's what I'm going based off of. This is epic. You know what I'm curious to know? This lights up also, are you kidding me? And I appreciate that it comes pre-batteried. So what I'm curious about is how consistent these are. Like if everything is painted almost the same, because with that Bradford Exchange one, I'm not trying to throw a company under the bus here, but I really like mine. But after I saw so many other people with it, I was like, it doesn't look the same. Very inconsistent with like the character paintings. This, I'm curious to know how consistent it is, but this is the gate. And I think that those two bats, like the Mickey bats, make it. And then there's a little bat in the middle also. And then there's the two bats here and then the lights. This is very freaking cool. Can we take a moment that what if they launch like expansions to this every year? They can take my credit card now. Okay, let's start with the little pieces, right? And then we'll end with the big piece. Oh, cute. Okay, this one doesn't light up. Yeah, there's so many details on this. Like the top of his house has all this like finish on it. Pluto is happy with his pumpkins, all the little grass. I mean, this is much more detailed than, and yes, I know I'm biased. I've never had a Halloween village or anything, so all I have to go based off of is Christmas stuff, but this is way nicer than the Lemax Christmas stuff. Don't even get me started, Lemax. I literally looked at it like it launched early, obviously. It's like one of the first things to launch at Michael's, and I looked at it and I was like, yeah, I'm not falling for that again. I have purchased so many things from Michael's and gotten Lemax Village pieces for Christmas, and every single one of them, every single one has broken. Every year, it's like, I turn them all on and all the Lemax ones are broken. The Department 56 is never. So guess which company I switched to. Okay, there's like a bit of glue, but that happens. You can clean that off. Okay, the back of his head feels a little bit damaged, but I mean, only when you turn it on do you see that. No, you can kind of see, like it's a little bit, I mean, really. So this is my Mickey lantern. I want you to see what I'm talking about the back of his No, see, you can't even see. Can you see like how there's a couple little scratches on the ears and stuff? Doesn't matter. So this is the lamp post with the little bat and then the stand. Everything is cohesive in that sense, like it's all almost like it's on stone. I'm thinking about making like a special base for this thing. I don't know how. I was about to say I don't have styrofoam. I do now. Oh, that could be fun. Black spray paint. Ooh, okay. That'll have to be its whole other thing. This is margaritas and reviews. We're hanging out together. Okay. This is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like this big. Like I said, this entire set could be double the price. So how do you turn on then, dear friend? I can see the battery pack. Where's the, oh, no, why aren't you? Oh,
Batteries not included.
if you're wondering what I have going in the background, I don't have the sound on, but it's like an ambient haunted mansion, like Disney-esque. You can find all these things on YouTube. They're amazing. I'll try and link this one. The channel is Ambient Worlds, and the screen is actually moving. Like the lights are flickering, the clouds are going. It's very vibey. Not something I would suggest playing at home alone at night because it'll kind of freak you out a little bit. It's just creepy. Wow. My favorite part of this entire collection has to be this Mickey bat that's like consistent through almost all the pieces. This is the best freaking $150 I've ever spent. That Mickey bat, I can't. Look at how precious he is with the clock. And then this one, because it has batteries, like batteries, it is amazing. Okay, my one thing that I just realized, I'm gonna have to go through and turn all these things on and off every night. It would be amazing if it was either plugged in, because then you have the cords. It would be amazing if it was not plugged in, battery operated, but I could like one remote. If there was a remote that popped out of here, oh, it would be perfect. I don't think there is. But I'm gonna have to like go through, lift all these up and turn all them off. So that kind of sucks, but it's sick. Okay, I wanna show you all the details on this. So there is the Mickey pumpkin on the side here. There's a regular pumpkin. There's all the vines. Like it literally looks like it's part of Mickey's castle, Cinderella's castle, sorry. How cute is he with the little eyes? I wonder if he was supposed to be a bat and he broke. Nope, like a bell tower. This is vibey, I like it. Very cool. Okay, she's happy, she's happy. Okay, the last big piece. And this is big. Oh my gosh. So if you haven't seen the Christmas one, I'm gonna tell you right now, I think it's still available. If it's not, I'm really sorry. But it's basically a house where they're like, all the characters are around it. It's kind of the same concept, honestly. It's like one big house, there's a couple little smaller pieces. There's like oh wait, no. I think it might just be one big piece. I haven't opened it, so it's not my fault. I'm gonna use this for the village. I think I'm gonna keep that. Go spray paint it black outside tomorrow. It's gonna be great. If you guys wanna see that process, let me know down below. Like we could set up a village together. A first Halloween village. How many batteries do you need, friends? So yeah, I think the other one is a bit smaller in size. I think it's like the size of this house, the Christmas one. But I mean, we will find out. Same, 3 AA's. So you will need 6 AA batteries for this. Take a sip. It's like a drinking game. Oh, if you are watching this, you're probably a Disney fan. If not, I'm really sorry, welcome. I have on my 3 Besties shirt. It's very vibey, but that is not what I want to tell you. There is a really cool, if I was in Disney World, I'd go get it. There's a really cool trio of cocktails. I think they actually have single cocktails too at the Edison in Disney Springs. Go. There's one called the Blood Donor. It's freaking cool. It's like in an IV drip, and there's like, it looks like blood in it, and they like pour it into your glass. And then there was a trio, and there was one that was like I want to say Black Magic Margarita or something like that, and they had all these. It looked really cool. I mean, if that's your thing, go get it. Oh, okay, well, I mean, okay, I take back what I said. There's a timer on it. So, crisis averted. There's no timers on the little ones, but on the 2 big ones, there's a timer. So you could do 3 hours or 1 hour, I think is 1 hour or 2 hours. I don't know. It's a clock with a 1 and then a clock with a 2. I'm guessing that means 1 hour or 2 hours. I'm not sure. We'll test it. But this is the main house. So there's Donald and Daisy right in the front there, with like a cauldron. He's dressed as a little devil. That's very cute. So she's a witch, he's a devil, and then there's Huey, Dewey, and Louie. One of them's dressed as a little devil, a ghost, and then the other one has a witch hat on. And then again with that bat right here, big pumpkin in the front, there's like these 2 flame lanterns that are actually flickering. That is freaking cool. This is amazing. There's like a little balcony. I mean, I can't really get over the detail. That's the part this is impressive. Like seriously, I was looking for things to really like give you like feedback on if there was anything bad. I'm honestly blown away. One, by the size, two, by the sheer quality of this thing. I can't wait to put this together now. Guess what I'm doing tonight. But I will need to spray paint. I cannot spray paint in the dark. That is ridiculous. So here's what I'm gonna do. And here's my idea to you. If you have this or you want this or you just wanna start your own Halloween village, I got this off of Amazon. It is the Department 56 piece of the village. This looks exactly like the Mickey at the front of Main Street, USA. So how cool would that be? And I know, and I wanna buy it. They're like $100 each, so I'm trying to be reasonable. See, that's the thing. That's where my head's at. Those little houses of Department 56 there's like a Mickey house pumpkin and then a Minnie house pumpkin. They're like $100. This whole thing was 150 Canadian. So that's kind of where my logic is. Like, this is good value. Depends on what you say is valuable. But I mean, if you're buying a Christmas village or a Halloween village, this is valuable. And I've never had a Halloween village, so I'm here for it. And I shared this before. I had nothing, this area right here, every year for Halloween. I'm like, it looks lame. Like, there's nothing over there. I do really good with the bar cart. Love the bar cart this year. Killed the mantle. Crushed it. Just added purple fairy lights today to go with my... Goes pretty well with what's on the TV, actually. I love it. This is the other thing I got. I got this at the beginning of the season. It was $29.99 at HomeSense. And they're actually like Mickey lights. I think I want to put it around the village. I also have like some other haunted houses that could go in the village. I don't know if I like them. They might be a part of it. And then I have like black cloth, like that mesh cloth that I could put. I have black cobwebs that I could put. Black Spanish moss from Michael's that I could put as like the base. Things are happening. Here's what I kind of want to do. Just get regular moss, like green moss, because that's what's on the base of these. And then spray paint it from afar black so that like there's still the green that shows through. That's where my head's at. Wish me luck. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This was super fun, honestly. I like these ones where we just kind of sit down. It's also just a really cool chance to get to chat with you guys and get to have some real talk. And I know that there's not like chaos going on, but it's nice to have a balance of the two types of videos, honestly. And I'm yet to do like an actual honest review on things. And yes, I could get more detailed. And if you guys do have questions, comment it down below. I always answer my own comments. If someone comments to you under a video that you've won a giveaway, it's a scam, by the way. I need to keep repeating that because I feel so bad by anybody that's getting duped by these horrible people. But I am doing giveaways. I have a bunch of boxes in the basement right now, all lined up. It looks like Santa's workshop. And I'm putting all my favorite things in all of them every week and shipping them out. So you'll get a DM from me on Instagram from my personal account, okay? And it will be me. I will voice memo if you want me to. It'll be me. But this was absolutely amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give this a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed, hit the bell for notification, and go follow along on Instagram. Leave some comments, leave some positivity, because we are picking people at random all week long to win all of my favorite things in like a pretty substantial box of just stuff that I love, from like makeup, mugs, Ray Dunn, Joanna Parker, all sorts of stuff that I love, and of course Disney things. So if you guys did love this, definitely show the love, and I guess I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.